Let me ask you something. Be honest with yourself. You study every day. You watch lectures. You take notes. But when exams hit, your mind goes completely blank. And the worst part? You're tired all the time, burned out, falling behind, feeling guilty. So you tell yourself, I just need to study more. But what if I told you the problem isn't how much you study, it's how your brain is being used? Stay with me. This could change everything. Part 1. The big lies students believe. Most students believe one thing. If I sit longer, I'll learn more. That's a lie. Your brain doesn't work like a storage box. It works like a muscle. Use it the right way, it gets stronger fast. Use it the wrong way, it gets tired and slow. That's why some students study 4 hours and remember nothing, while others study 1 hour and remember everything. The difference? Strategy, not effort. Let me show you how. Part 2. Morning. Prime your brain. Your brain is strongest before distractions take over, not after scrolling. Not after messages, not after stress. Here's what to do. Step 1. Don't open your phone for 10 minutes after waking up. This keeps dopamine low. Low dopamine means higher focus. Step 2. Write one question you want answered today. Not a topic, a question. For example, not study physics, but why does current decrease in parallel circuits? Your brain loves solving problems. It hates just reading pages. One good question creates curiosity, and curiosity makes learning faster. Part 3. Study less, but make it active. Here's the biggest mistake students make: reading notes again, highlighting lines, watching videos passively. It feels productive, but it isn't. Your brain learns faster when it struggles just a little. Try this instead. The 25-5 rule. Study for 25 minutes, close the book, spend 5 minutes explaining it out loud, like you're teaching a friend. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it yet. This method is backed by science. It's called active recall, and it beats rereading every time. Part 4. Afternoon. Use low energy smartly. Afternoons feel heavy, sleepy, unmotivated. That's normal. So don't fight your biology. This is the best time for revision, flashcards, practice questions, mind maps, not new topics. Your brain saves energy by recognizing patterns. That's why revision sticks better now. Quick tip: stand up while revising. Movement wakes your brain. Sitting kills focus. Part 5. Evening. The memory hack. Most students waste evenings worrying. I studied so much but forgot everything. What if I fail? I'm not smart enough. Listen closely. Memory is built during rest, not during study. Before sleeping, do this. Write 3 things you learned today. Write 1 thing you're still confused about. That's it. Your brain processes this while you sleep. This is called memory consolidation. Sleep isn't laziness, it's part of learning. Part 6. Mindset. Stop beating yourself up. Let me say this clearly. You're not lazy, you're overloaded. No one teaches students how to learn. They only tell you what to learn. So when you struggle, you think something is wrong with you. There isn't. You just need better systems. Learning faster isn't about motivation. It's about removing friction. Small changes, big results. Part 7. The 3 rules to remember. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Questions beat notes. Explaining beats reading. Rest beats overworking. Do less, but do it smarter. I know what it feels like to try hard and still feel behind. To watch others move ahead and wonder, why not me? You're not broken. You're learning the wrong way, and that can be fixed. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button. If you want more videos that actually help students win, subscribe. And if you know someone who's burned out right now, share this with them. You don't need to study more. You just need to learn better. We'll do this together.